Today, we're at Ireland's biggest park and zoo. Just wait a second. So guys, this is gonna be an epic day and we're definitely, hopefully not gonna die. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is the 5D cinema. Let's check it out. Let's get in here. All right guys, we're just here at the 5D cinema. It was absolutely crazy. I was holding my eyes closed half the time, but here's the catch of this like extremely cool video. I'm gonna be solving Rubik's Cube after each thing. So let's go, 3, 2, 1. Oh lads, I'm going very fast, I'm going very fast. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do this after a roller coaster. Alright guys, and we're solved. Alright guys, let's get on to the next thing. Alright guys, we're just here at this crazy roller coaster. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I almost died. So we'll see what happens next, but I kind of want to get away from roller coasters right now because my everything hurts. And I also don't want to like pee myself. So let's get onto something a little bit easier. Alright guys, I just forgot to do it, so let's quickly solve the Rubik's Cube. Oh lads, that last ride was so crazy. I felt like I was about to die. I'm not even lying. I had no control over anything. It was too crazy. Let's get on to Alright guys, guess where I'm at? I'm driving! Driving super fast! Guys, I'm too good at driving. Guys, I'm too fast. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm not sure if you're allowed to film while driving. I know you're not allowed to text while driving. I'm allowed to film on this attraction, by the way, I asked. Alright guys, we just went on the crazy cars. It was super fun and I definitely was going like 100 miles an hour. Let's solve the Rubik's Cube. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I'm too fast. Alright guys, let's get out to the next stop! Alright guys, now we're going to a very cool place in this place. It's called the zoo! Let's go. Let's go to the zoo. Alright lads, we just did like 3 circles around the park because I didn't know where I was going. But now we're here at the zoo where I wanted most. the tigers. He's eating on something extremely bloody and chunky. So I think he's eating something alive, or something that was live at least. So let's go around and find some. Why don't we solve a Rubik's Cube right here? Let's go. All right, guys, this tiger is pretty scary. He got me trembling in the knees. I hope this tiger doesn't eat me. Guys, I don't know what we're gonna do after this. We might go a little bit more around the zoo, and then we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll go on another roller coaster. But first, let's get some chips. Some really cool ones. They're like circular. Alright lads, that was actually bald eagles, and they were actually able to bite us. That's why we had to be careful. But you know who else can bite? Me! On this beautiful twisted chippy thing. Let's try it. Yummy. How do you even eat this thing? If you guys didn't know, this place is called Emerald Park near Dublin. It used to be called Tato Park, but not too long ago they changed the name because of like patent reasons or something. But I was worried that these won't be here, but they are. They're absolutely delicious. It's gonna take me a little bit to eat it. Let's go to the petting zoo. Hello. Let me pet you. Oh, he sneezed. Guys, we're petting the goats. Let's pet some stuff here. Here, let's see. What else could we pet? My hand is ready to pet. Oh, he just want a pet. Hello. Oh, their fur's so odd. I'm not sure what that fur is. He's such a cute little guy. The smell here is super bad though. I'm not even lying, it's absolutely terrible. The last thing we'll pet. Alright, now let's sanitize our hands and get the flip out of here. What even are these animals? Hello. 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 Alright lads, I just bought this donutty concoction right here. So while I'm eating this, I'll explain some of the stuff that happened. So first thing that happened after whatever you saw, I tried to go onto this walking wooden structure, but it was actually closed, so I couldn't get on that. Then I went to the some of the arcade stuff, or should I say fair. And it's not that great because I lost a bit of money on that. I'm not a great thrower, so I didn't win anything. But here I just bought a donut, and we're in a little bit of a predicament. So I want to go on one last roller coaster before we finish the video. It's called the Viking Voyage. It's this one that's on water. Now the only problem is I can't film there, especially because it's all wet. So I need to find a cameraman soon, or I'm not getting on that. Or I just might not be able to film it. So we already went on some of the things. I had to like walk around the entire park to find some things, but I did. And now if I find a cameraman, we're gonna go on the Viking Voyage. See you there. Alright lads, I got good news and bad news. Bad news, we couldn't get a cameraman for the Viking Voyage, so sadly we aren't going there. But good news, we're going on something even crazier. And if you think the Viking Voyage was bad with like water and like a little bit of splash, you are wrong, because this is gonna be the crazy. Okay lads, we're going on the scariest thing yet. I hope I'm okay. Oh my goodness. Lads, we're going. Oh my goodness, lads. Oh, lads, we're spinning. Oh, lads, we're spinning. Lads, we're spinning fast. Lads, we're spinning really fast. This is too fast, lads. That was the craziest thing ever. That was so scary. Oh no, we're going the other way. This is really fast. This is like so fast. This is actually kind of bad. Like, not even lying, this is pretty bad. That's the craziest thing I went on yet. But now, we just finished our final ride. Let's get on to final words with Arsen. Let's see you there. Alright guys, that was the greatest video in my entire life. Let's go and subscribe! Now subscribe to Arsen. 1. Subscribe to Arsen. 2. 1. Subscribe to Arsen now!